Looking at showers and thunderstorms out there this midday. In fact, looking at the DHR camera in Edinburgh out towards the east, you can see some of the rain falling out of the clouds there as well. We've got numerous showers and storms, especially across the lower valley at this hour. You can see the heaviest rain now just to the north of Brownsville, right around San Benito to the east of Harlingen, moving off kind of towards the north-northwest, and then some other heavier showers and storms there near Weslaco and also towards McAllen area, and then across Willisey County from San Perlita just east of Raymondville. Pretty good cluster there, and then also western Willisey into northeastern Hidalgo County. And some smaller showers and storms there again west of McAllen over towards Mission and out towards La Jolla. The whole area, though, is moving off towards the west as the sea breeze boundary continues to march in that direction. Highs today will only be in the 90s, lower 90s out there. East-southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, gusting to 20, keeping that 40% chance of showers and storms. As we get closer and closer to sunset tonight, the rain will start to taper off and come to an end, and just isolated showers expected after that. So there's all that tropical moisture. We've been tracking this since last Friday or Saturday or so, expecting it to make it onshore, and it has done so, and bringing us a good chance of showers and storms yesterday and today, and also making it more humid out there, so overnight lows are going to be much milder over the coming days. We saw 70s this morning. We'll see that again tomorrow morning. There's a sea breeze. Futurecast starting at 1 o'clock as it marches westward, takes the rain with it, get to about 7:30, 8 o'clock tonight. Expect it all to be over with. But if you get some of those heavier downpours, you can get a quick inch of rain in a heartbeat out there. In some areas, if it stays a little bit around, a little bit longer, we could see some localized flooding, and we saw a little bit of that yesterday. So just be aware of that as you head out and about this afternoon into the early evening hours. After today, the rain chances start to drop off, but they do stick around for some isolated showers and storms through Friday. And right now, it looks like the weekend is going to be pretty much on the dry side. Pollen counts, looking at moderate level of grass pollen this afternoon, low on weeds and on the tree pollen, putting our allergy alert today in the moderate category. Notice how dust is low, but that dust count could be going up next week. Tropic is looking pretty quiet out there across the Atlantic basin and also over the Caribbean. Looking at a little cluster of showers and storms just off of Georgia, the Carolinas there. Hurricane Center giving that just a 10% chance of development over the next 5 days. And the Gulf of Mexico extremely quiet. We see this pretty much every summer, the Saharan dust making its march towards the west across the Atlantic, and it makes it into South Texas often, and that's what we're going to be looking at for the first to middle part of next week. In fact, that whole big area of dust has already marched off of the African continent there and is making its way across the Atlantic. So this is going to be putting us into about Tuesday or so of next week that we could see the first impacts of that dust. And then by the time you get into Wednesday and Thursday, it looks like it's going to be in full force across deep South Texas, something for us to look forward to because it causes a lot of problems for people that have allergens or sensitive to dust particles. It's going to be a problem. 40% chance of showers and storms today, 90 degrees, and 20% chance for the rest of the week. Temperatures close to normal by Saturday and Sunday.